welcome back to Hot Beauty Budgets. It's your girl Portia, and I'm back with another video. Hey y'all, we're into our last week of downtown hospital, and I cannot wait. I am so happy that this is almost completed that I don't know what to do with myself. Like, I'm ecstatic. Like, y'all don't even understand. Yeah, I'm happy. So I do want to tell y'all that a lot has happened, and we kind of find out a little bit about what's going on, you know. And at the end of the day, after everything that's going on, we found the cure. The cure was within us. So we found the cure, or whatever the case may have been. And then since then, for doing that or coming up with the cure, whatever, we got awarded $250,000. So this is my $250,000 that I got awarded. Okay. Yeah. Farm money. Right. So with my $250,000, baby, I went and bought me a G-Wagon. Yeah. I went and bought me a G-Wagon. Yeah. Cause that's how we get down. Period. Okay. So that is my money. I will be taking my G-Wagon to work. Yeah. I'll be taking my G-Wagon to work. Because I deserve it, because I did a lot for this company, okay? And I deserved everything that they brought to me, okay? So with that being said, we need to get into our week of our duties for our last week of work. So y'all know we start off at our house because we need to pay our week of utilities, which our week of utilities is $6,000. Y'all know that. $6,000 from Olean goes into our week of utilities. The next thing that we have, you know, we get our food for the week. So we do go to the food store and we roll to determine what are we going to pay at the food store, and we're paying $5K to the food store. Okay. And then since we got our new car, we needed to go to the gas station and get us some gas for the week. So then we're going to roll to see how much is our gas for the week. So our gas was $4,000 for the week. Yeah, so our gas for the week is here because we got a new car, and they can't see me in my new car. The next thing we're going to work. So we're in our week 1 of work, and we're in our week 1 of work. So the first thing that we do is we get paid our 25, which we might want to break that down a little bit. We might want to break that down. So we get paid our $25,000 from Olean's for our first week of work, for our last week of work. And then y'all know that we also go to the coffee shop. So we talk about how we get us a coffee every morning. And the coffee is $2K, so it is. So the coffee shop is $10K for the week because we go to the coffee 5 times in a week. So that is our coffee. And then after that, we get into our task, okay? So the first task that we do, we signed into work. Second, we're going to deliver our samples. We're going to deliver our samples to the laboratory. And since we're finishing out our samples, we kind of already know. We just need to add up what's left. So it's a 6 and it's a 2 left. It's 4, 8, not 12. So plus 12 is left. And then 3, 6, 9 plus another 12. So golly, $32. So that is the $32 that we paid for the samples. But we wanted to do all the samples. I think it was more samples than the amount of days that we had to work. Because if we only work 5 days a week, 5, 10, 15, 20, we only needed 20 samples. And it was way more than 20 samples on here. Okay, so we completed our samples for the week. The next thing is to update the patient files, which these are the patient files, and to finish out the patient files, which also, it was also more than 20 patient files on it. To finish out the patient files, that will be $18K. 2, 3, 4, 5, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that is the $18K to finish out the patient files. I don't know how much money we saved in downtown hospital, but I'm sure it was a lot. I am sure of that. And then the next thing is to check the patient vitals and fill the prescription. And y'all know for that, we would go to the hospital and we would pay $3K for the vitals and then $2K to fill the prescription for a week. So that'd be $5,000. So that will be $5,000. And for the last thing to do is to feed the infected pigs. So, you know, we had to feed 5 pigs. So that was 5 to feed the infected pigs. We also had to feed the pigs 5 carrots, 2 carrots each, so that'd be 10 carrots. And we also have to feed the infected pigs 1 apple each because they're infected. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and that will be it for what we have to do at work for today. So the next thing y'all know we do, we have to pay for our doggy goes. And that is also $3K because we pay for the new week. For the 4th week, we pay for the food package for him and also his nightly sitting. So that is $3K that we pay out of our own money. After a long week of working at the hospital, we're going to end this job off with a spa visit because we deserve it. Everything we have been through at this hospital, we deserve it. And the spa visit is $5K. And y'all, that concludes downtown hospital. All right, y'all. So that concludes downtown hospital. we are done. So happy to go back to my regular form and do regular stuff. I can't wait. And if you really enjoyed this video, if you really enjoyed Downtown Hospital, make sure you leave me a comment down below and a like. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.